Vizu doesn't just show the data, it tells a story. Step by step, it guides the viewer. It can zoom in on what matters, making the key message stand out. Looking at the same data from a different angle? Motion reveals the difference, instantly and intuitively. A total can unfold over time, surfacing patterns that static charts keep blurring. Presenting complex data to execs? One wrong step can derail the whole pitch. Vizu guides you through a flawless visual story, so nothing gets lost or misread. In high-stakes meetings, there's no time to fumble. Just 1 minute, one shot to get it right. Vizu keeps you cool, clear, and in control when it matters most. But it's not just playback. Vizu can be interactive during the presentation. As the conversation evolves, you can adapt the story in real time and steer the room with confidence. And if you like, AI can help spot angles or outliers. But it's our team who turns your data into custom-built data stories that win.